So welcome to the introduction session of DAX. So if you ever looked at DAX formula and felt scared, confused, or thought that this DAX is too complex, so you're not alone. Most of the beginners would struggle DAX or completely ignore DAX, not because it is difficult, but because it is explained at times in a complicated way. So in this video, I'll try my best to explain DAX in the most simplest way possible. So DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. So if somebody asks what's a full form of DAX, you now know it. It's Data Analysis Expressions. DAX is the formula language used in Power BI to create calculations. We use DAX in order to create calculated column. It's almost same like how we use formulas in the cells of an Excel sheet, right? But that is only limited to the cells, some cells, right? But DAX is written in such a way that it is applicable to the entire column or an entire table itself. Since we are going to talk about DAX basics, we'll not be getting into creating an entire table with the help of DAX. But to begin, we will see some columns that will be created with DAX, and it will be simple columns with simple formulas, which will definitely help you to start using DAX in Power BI. So let's see for what DAX could be used quickly. Like DAX could be used to get quick answers on questions like what could be the total sales, what is sales by month, and which orders are high value. Now how this year is performing as compared to last year. So these are some of the reasons a DAX formula could be used. And in order to understand it, we will go through some examples on Power BI. We'll start from scratch. We'll use a new file of Power BI itself, or I would say we'll create a Power BI file, and in that we will get data from Excel sheet, which will be attached as a resources to this video. Make sure that you download that Excel file into your system, because that is the Excel file that we're going to use. So the Excel file's name would be data for Power Query Demo. So let's begin, guys. So see you in the next session.